Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today. Yes, we have here an additional, not in today's newspaper on Saturday, March 19th, 2022. No, in today's newspaper, we have no extra puzzles, no additional. Well, it's the additional of yesterday, Friday the 18th, 2022. And I've already solved one puzzle, the letter Sudoku, so we have two puzzles left, the Two Stars Sudoku and the Tectonic with 1 star. First, I will do the Two Stars Sudoku, and this will be number 4282. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. 26, and for 26 printed digits, a two-star Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Let me see which number can I pick. How about 2 in this row? Last row, 2 in a row above. So on that row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. Or there we see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the last column. So the column between, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Then, well, 3 missing numbers in the first row. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 7. We have a 3 and a 7 in this big square. So no 3 and a 7 in this box. The 3 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. Let me mark those. So 1 digit left in the first row for the number 9, I believe. Yeah, the 9. 9 is missing. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9. Yes. 9 is missing. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here. Oh, there we see there's 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Then, let me see. How about? I'm thinking. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in the last column. So no 3 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 3 in the last column. 3 in that column. So the column between. The only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So the last column, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there's 7, no 7, there's 7 should be there. 7 in the last row, 7 in that row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there's 7, no 7, there's 7 should be there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there's 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 7. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between middle row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, here 3, no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 3. 2 in this column, third column, 2 in the first column. So the column between the second column, only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 2. Okay. 2 numbers left in the middle row for the numbers. So 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and the 9. 1 and the 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6, 1 and the 6. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in the first column, 1 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the ones are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 1. Oh, wait. Then. How about 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then. How about these 2 numbers in this row? For the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8. Can I fill this yet? No. 4 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Come on. 6. And Interesting. The 4 in this column, the 4 in the column next. So the last column, only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the last column. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 6 and a 9. 6 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 6, it goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. How about these 2 missing numbers in this row? 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. How about those 2 boxes in this big square? 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 6 goes there. So we have a pair now. So 6 and a 9 in this column. 6 and a 9 in the column next. On the first column, only 2 places left for the 6 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And a 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 there. So this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be 6. And this box should be a 5. Then... how about these 2 numbers? I see here the 4 and the 8. 4 and the 8 are missing. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 8. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column, so the third column, only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row below, only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below, so the last row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square, 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing, 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square, 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Find no 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku, but is this really a 2 stars? I think whether it's a 1 star, and I like this one, yes. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And before I leave, I'm interested in the Santa boxes of the big squares. I'm collecting those numbers for more than 5 weeks. Maybe I can see a pattern. Maybe you can see a pattern. We have here 439, 439, 678, 678, and 156. 156. Here we have one pair, I believe. Yes, the 6 as a pair. Alright, thank you again. And I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of this edition of Friday, the 18th. Yeah, yesterday's edition. Tectonic with 1 star. See you then. Bye-bye for now.